Patrol Rescue Team. The Paw Patrol pups are best friends who love working and playing together. When Ryder calls them to the lookout, Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Sky, and Zuma leap into action to help Adventure Bay. "We have to save that kitten," Rubble exclaims. "Don't worry, we've got you," Ryder says. When Farmer Yumi needs help collecting fruit before a big storm, the Paw Patrol is there to help. "Great work, team," says Chase. The Paw Patrol finishes a busy Adventure Bay day with pup treats and sleep in front of the lookout. Good friends make a great team. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much for spending some time with me reading this story. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!